Your loose change might be worth more than you think. The coin collecting market is hot right now, with coins showing a steady growth in value and the number of collectors increasing as well. Dealers say millennials are actually sparking the surge. There's a lot of renewed interest thanks to a coin that literally has gone out of style. They stopped minting pennies.
This is about a $7,000 coin.
And now they're worth a mint.
Yeah, absolutely. Especially that one that just sold it for millions or whatever. Crazy.
The death of the penny led to a mock funeral, but it gave birth to a new interest in coin collecting.
Well, Mint State, 2006 Silver Eagles. Can't go wrong.
Tim Hero is a numismatist, a fancy word for a collector with expert knowledge in the field. He's a boutique dealer who operates the Boston Coin in Quincy.
What the hell is this, pennies?
It makes sense for the penny to open the door to a new generation of coin collectors like Robert, who lives in a Boston suburb where protecting and hiding his full identity due to the value of his collection. He invested in 2025 pennies and is in on other coins like silver dollars and antique coins worth thousands.
Give me some money.
It's part hobby for him and part investment, too. Just like Courtney Kinneberg of Braintree, who started dabbling with coins as a kid and is now hoping her coin compilation will pay off for her daughter.
Like investing in some generational wealth right now is like something I passed down to her, like bullion and things like that, things that like won't lose its value.
And it can be fun to find out if there's any big money in your loose change. Experts say the updated Red Book is the coin collector's Bible. Now, if you want to maybe magnify your wealth by getting into the coin collecting game, there are tips you should follow. First, start small.
If somebody was just starting off and they wanted to start a Lincoln album or a Lincoln Penny album.
Remember, the condition matters more than the age.
You could have a common day coin that might only be worth a few dollars, but if it's in the right condition, it could be a windfall of thousands.
Don't ever clean your coins, and be careful how you hold them.
You always hold up by the edge, always. Even if you like put your finger on it or your thumb on it, and you might leave a mark now, later on with the air and the carbon in the air, it will leave a mark.
There's a ton of buying and selling online, so beware of scammers.
I've had some amazing, amazing fakes come in over the years, and if I wasn't on my A game and didn't have a nice cup of coffee, I might have missed it.
Be it for investment or enjoyment, coin collecting could be the change you need.
I find the most fun thing is just to shuffle through the coins that you get from like a roll at the bank or whatever.
There's no wrong way. It's a beautiful thing. There's a lot more ways you could spend your money that are a lot worse, you know?
Spend your money on money.
Yeah, why not?
Now, Tim, spend your money on money. Tim says make sure that you store your coins in a cool, dry place, not in a damp basement or the hot attic. And if you're looking to find out exactly what the coins that you have are worth, make sure you're dealing with a reputable grading organization like the Professional Coin Grading System, also known as PCGS. There are several other ones out there also that you can choose from.